Hello everyone and welcome back to Rombaut RC. Today I want to introduce you the Ultimate Strato, a new monoplane from BJCraft. If you are thinking about starting in F3A or just looking for a clean, reliable and high-performance aerobatic aircraft that can grow with you, this might be the one. The Strato is a full-size 2-meter F3A monoplane designed by BJ Park, featuring the most extreme wing sweep back ever used in one of his designs. That sweep gives the Strato incredible stability, delivering that precise, locked-in feeling and making it very easy to mark rolls, changes of direction and clean lines to build great geometry, which is fundamental in F3A. F3A is a discipline where we fly aerobatic sequences by drawing specific maneuvers in the air. The cleaner and more precise your lines are, the better. So having an aircraft that helps you trace those lines rather than fighting against it is a huge advantage, especially when you are starting. I first flew a Strato prototype at the 2024 F3A World Cup in China. After giving some feedback and doing some minor adjustments to the design, I'm really happy with how this updated version turned out. Now, it feels solid and predictable on challenging maneuvers like spins, stall turns and snap rolls.
Marking, I can force it, boom, and now down and rotation, 1 and 2.
Everything feels smooth, consistent and repeatable like in the Anthem or the Epilogue. For preliminary schedules, it's honestly a great platform, and as with pretty much all BJCraft models, it's easy to adjust and fly, so you can quickly focus on improving your skills. Mine is paired with the new CRS 3000 Mk3 from Dualsky and Falcon propellers. The 2220s or the 2320s fit perfectly. The Strato has one of the thinnest fuselage BJCraft has ever produced. It feels like it has extremely low drag, which gives it a feeling of extra power. No matter what prop, what motor or batteries you use, this plane just climbs, with the Contra drive systems or single drive systems. Although I said it's great for preliminary schedules and getting started in F3A, the Strato is a real contender and fully capable of performing every maneuver in today's F3A schedules. It doesn't have the knife-edge performance of a biplane, but with its thick analyzer and tall fuselage, it can perform with no issues the F programs and other complex maneuvers. In this one in particular, we installed an add-on, the TBra, to help me reduce the speed during the downlines. It's not that it's necessary, but if you have followed the channel, you know that I really like to be able to fly slow, and for that I really like the TBra to allow me to reduce a little bit the speed on the downlines and mark very well the lines. As with the Anthem, it handles well a wide range of speeds and it behaves very well in wind. I hope I can dedicate a little bit more time to videos soon and make a good comparison between the Anthem, the Epilogue and the Strato. But so far I'm liking it and I would definitely recommend it. We now have it on sale at Rombaut RC and we are offering special combos plus extra discounts for junior pilots. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us through our website and we'll make sure to answer any questions you might have about the Strato or any other model from BJCraft.